In this video, I'll show you how you can add your link to your LinkedIn profile. So it's very simple. There are actually two ways how we can do this. So first way is by adding your link to your contact info. So once you are on your profile, just click on this blue text which says contact info. And from here, you need to click on this pencil and then scroll, and here you will see website. So click on add website, and here you can paste your URL of your website, then choose website type, for example company, then click save, and now save was successful. Now when I refresh LinkedIn and open my contact info, you will see my website URL here. Now the second way is by clicking on this pencil, and from here you need to scroll all the way down to premium custom button. So you can add like your button with your URL that appears on the top of your profile, posts, search results, and more. So for example, if you create a post, people can see your URL under your name. So this is very good, but you need to have premium LinkedIn subscription to be able to use this. So if you have one, you can just click on edit custom button. And from here you can choose from many options like visit my store, visit my website, but we want to add a link to my website. So I'm going to choose visit my website, then paste your URL, click done. And now there is this visit my website button on your profile. So when I click it, it will redirect me to my YouTube channel. So this was the second way how you can add your link to your profile. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.